You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this type of pasta from Italy, and it's also the name of an Italian astronomer. So an Italian surname. If you want to learn more vocabulary from Italian cuisine, stay tuned. Italian pronunciation, Riccioli, Riccioli, okay, it's double C-I. In this case, in Italian, is pronounced like CH, and because you have a double C, you want to stress on that ch sound. Riccioli, Riccioli. That's your correct Italian pronunciation right there. In English, you can simply say Riccioli, Riccioli. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.